The phone rings, unknown number. Amit looks at the screen, his heart beat faster. English call, and instead of acting confident, he reacts nervously.
Hello, may I speak to Amit?
Yes, myself, Amit.
Stop. This is the most common reaction. Not action, reaction. In Hindi we think मैं अमित बोल रहा हूँ. But English doesn't work like that. When you answer a call, identity is already understood. So instead of reacting, act properly.
Speaking. This is Amit. Yes, this is Amit speaking.
Short, clear, professional. That is action.
Sir, we are offering a lifetime free credit card with amazing benefits and cashback rewards. May I take 2 minutes to explain?
No, interest. Don't call again.
That is overreaction. Fluent speakers don't overact. They control the interaction. Listen to the difference.
I'm not interested, thank you. I appreciate the offer, but I'll pass. Thank you, but I'm not looking for a credit card right now.
Polite, firm, active control. That is professional interaction. Notice the root word. Act, react, overact, interact. English fluency is not about big grammar. It is about how you act under pressure.
Sir, this card has 0 annual fees and exclusive airport lounge access.
My mood is not for talking. I am not in mood.
This is direct translation. Mood is emotional reaction. English prefer practical action. Instead of reacting emotionally, act situationally.
This isn't a good time. I am a bit busy right now. Can we talk later?
See the shift from emotional reaction to practical action. That is proactive communication.
Sure, sir. When would be a good time to call you back?
Call in evening 6. You call at 6 only.
Again, reaction. Let's act clearly.
You can call me around 6 p.m. Please call me at 6 in the evening. Anytime after 6 works for me.
Clear time, clear structure. That is effective communication. When the phone rings, you have 2 choices. React or act. Reacting is emotional, acting is intentional. Active thinking builds confidence. Reactive thinking creates mistakes. Remember that root word family. Act, to take action. React, act again emotionally. Overreact, too much reaction. Interaction, 2 people acting together. Proactive, acting before problem grow. English fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. It is about controlled action in real situation. When next time the phone rings, don't panic. Don't overreact. Act.